Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Crawley Down. I'm really excited to show you this music room with some acoustic upgrades. So this is a kind of customised Jay studio, single door, that's gone onto the side of this building, as it's 4.8 metres deep, but sat alongside this garage here, and actually the property is down there, as you can see. So what we've done here is put the door onto the side, a full drop window that looks out, and then just a couple of windows on the side of the building. So we work with this client because he's in the building industry. He's done some of this work himself. So we produce the regular building with our normal insulations. He's then added an acoustic insulation and then acoustic plasterboard, and then plastered the building. And the reason for this is the proximity to the neighbours, and as you can see, a very keen drummer actually gets used as for a little band in here. So there's 3 or 4 people in here sometimes, and they didn't want to transfer that noise out or wanted to reduce it as much as possible. So our regular buildings are very good, but this is really, extra on top of that. Included in that, we've actually done for this client a double glazing, which is an acoustic laminate double glazing. I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but that is where you've essentially got 3 panes of glass, not 2, but 2 of them are laminated together, stops the transfer of sound, or massively reduces the transfer of sound through the glass, which is the most challenging element. He's also done the same on the floor and on the ceiling here, and then you've got that plastered finish, which is obviously quite unique for one of our buildings, but that worked because of that special acoustic laminates on there. So being used as a music room, getting lots of love, and I just think it's a really nice building, nicely finished, got a great purpose use. It's been really good working with them on these little extras, so you don't transfer the sound out from the building at all. It's so tight in the room, you can just see maybe up the top there that the climate control unit that we installed on this one is actually sitting on top of the roof. It's a really good solution for that. And there you go, so a 4.8 deep by 3 metre wide music room that could actually be used as a recording studio as well, because of how well not only are we stopping sound coming out, but sound going in as well, you see. So it really is a great option if you're thinking of wanting a music room or a music studio. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do with your friends and family, and let us know your comments below.